Hello everyone, this is Bei Machinery, 23 years. Focus on piling machinery and equipment, and excavator attachment manufacturing. Recycling plants specialize in tools for dismantling scrapped cars. Car dismantling scissors. Design of car dismantling scissors. Taking full account of labor, environmental friendly, economy, safety, timeliness, etc. Save time and energy. Achieve cost savings. High performance. Panels, long-lasting. The main structure is made of solid NM500 steel. Light in mass. Wear resistant. Effectively resists wear and scratches. Easy maintenance. Notch configuration alloy blade. High temperature resistance. Resistant to deformation. Easy blade replacement. Available on many sides. Strong shear resistance. Professional design, efficient and convenient. Look further along the blade. It's the front end of the notch. Wavy pliers. Hard and wear resistant. Can be grasped, peel off. Various operations such as tearing. The oil cylinder uses high-pressure oil cylinder produced by Bei, using hunting tube. Wear resistant and corrosion resistant. Imported halide oil seal. Good sealing, long-lasting. High-performance design. Provide powerful cutting force for pliers. 360° flexible rotation, equipped with 360 rotating design. Adjust the rotation angle of the car dismantling scissors at will. Capable of accurately clamping target objects. Flexible operation, higher efficiency. With press frame, get twice the result with half the effort. Works together with car demolition scissors. There is also a press frame, made of NM500 steel. Strong and wear resistant. Light in mass. Its function is press the scrap car that needs to be dismantled tightly. Play a fixed role. Dismantle a car in a few minutes. Work efficiency is more than 10 times that of manual work. Can be used in both car recycling and dismantling industries. Can also be used for industrial dismantling, metal processing industry and other fields. Has many uses. We believe. Purchase professional engineering equipment. Find a professional manufacturer. Bei Machinery. Make your construction one step faster. Make a lot of money.